Hey there! Looking for a simple digital product you can create once and sell over and over again? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make an invoice template and sell it online for passive income. Even if you're not a designer. Let's turn your creativity into cash. Let's get into it. What is an invoice template? So first, what exactly is an invoice template? It's a customizable document that freelancers, small business owners, and service providers use to bill their clients. It usually includes your business name or logo, the client's information, an invoice number and date, a list of services or products with prices, the total amount due, and the payment terms. Simple, right? But trust me, these are in high demand. Tools to create it. You don't need any fancy software to make one. You can use free tools like Canva, Google Docs, Google Sheets, or even Excel. If you want a more premium look, try Adobe Illustrator. My personal favorite? Canva. Just open a blank A4 document or search for Invoice in the template section. Then, customize the layout, replace the text, and make sure it's easy for your buyers to edit. That's key. Tips to make it sell now. Let's talk about making it sell. Your invoice template needs to be clean, easy to customize, and designed for a specific type of buyer. For example, an invoice for a photographer should look different than one for a construction contractor. Make it niche-specific. Also, here are some bonus tips. Offer multiple color options. Include instructions or a how-to-use guide. Bundle it with matching templates like a quote form or receipt. And use a clear, keyword-rich title like Editable Canva Invoice for Freelancers, Where an Amp, How to Sell It. Okay, now where do you sell it? There are a few great platforms. Etsy, where digital templates are hot. Gumroad, which is beginner-friendly. Creative Market for a more premium audience. Or your own website or link in bio store like Stan Store. When you upload your product, include a PDF with instructions, an editable Canva or Google Docs link, and some eye-catching mock-ups to grab attention. Marketing an AMP, passive sales. Once it's live, promote it to get traffic and sales. Here are a few easy ways. Show a behind-the-scenes of how you made it on TikTok or Reels. Pin it on Pinterest with links to your shop. Share client testimonials or design previews on Instagram. Offer a free sample to grow your email list. The more eyes on your product, the more passive income you can make. And there you have it. That's how you can make your own invoice template, list it online, and start earning passive income with a simple, repeatable product. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more digital product tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want a Canva tutorial next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.